I'm coming there, your son. Let me pay his pet waiting I get for you. My farm. Why you put a to me? You are buying a big one. And I don't want to come now. What up? Shut up!
Epa, you see this blue Nazi, this kleptomania here?
Yes.
I can't look at any problem in the environment and keep quiet. That's when the no grow. So, Epa, this boy here,
okay.
You see this woman? She's my girlfriend.
Oto.
I want to put money in her head because I've engaged her. This boy, you don't see anybody collect money because my woman want to put money for your head.
Yeah. See, I can explain.
If you talk, I'm going to variety you own. Yeah, what variety you are con? All your title did go there for ground. You will not count them with your tongue. No, bro. Oh, Ikata. As I look inside your eye,
yes.
I think Bawe and I play. You are from the lineage of Anini direct. One boy, that time when I need the team, you know me. My German, oh, what do you for you? It became me. But for one night, it was me that was the only person that they cash out. So I'm a thief cash out.
You know this boy? I know if a very tender age, he found age.
Continue.
If I when they get back to this boy, his father died in Oko.
Hey!
His father was a thief. And this boy, 5 years then spent for Oko. And he just coming out. He came out.
You are dead. You are gone. How can you go and be distracting the phone of the couple? So no, give me the phone. Give me the phone. Who bow? Emir. Afa, calm down. Look as you look me so. I'm a legal personnel. I'm going to take you to police station.
Yeah, police station.
Yeah, when the boys you when he harass my taxi way. Let me take you to station. No, move it. Where your husband is?
I don't know.
You don't know her before. Why they call you in girlfriend and you dead there they look at? Hey, why? I don't understand. What you doing? You allow me to catch a suspect and leave a thief, and now you deal me. Will you leave me alone?
Nobody had me, thief!
Area boy, yeah.